Give him the mic. Mr. Gold, this is your wife. Papa, God bless you. What I want you to have to handle in God. Please, because he is my heart. When you touch her, you have touched me.
By this song, I sing as my brother. You take you, don't need to have and to hold. From this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness,
Powerful.
to love, and to share. So that separate us. I put it on you in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Do take you, Cynthia, to my world. To have reached home from this day forward, for better, for worse.